Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Logome.ai and this is the best brand logo generator. Before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Now here, as you can see, once you are onto the platform, it will be asking you a couple of questions that you are going to be answering to generate you some amazing looking logos. You can pick up the style that you want to go with, like for example this, and click on continue. Now it will be asking you some of the colors that you would like to go with, then the brand or industry you are working in, like for example we have automotive, we have bags, bakery, and we also have e-commerce. So everything is pretty much available in here that you're going to be needing. You can also type on the top right side of your screen. As you can see, I have entered in here videography, and after that click on continue. Now we need to enter the details about our logo. So an amazing thing about this is you can also get some AI generated ideas. So you have your, like for example, AI names that you can go for with. We have various different options and amazing results in my opinion. And once you simply decided to go with that, you're going to be entering your email address in here and your slogan. You can add any slogan in here. Once you enter that, we will be pretty much good to go. After that, click on continue and it will be simply generating some amazing logo ideas for you. So just give it a couple of moments. So I have entered my name, Pixel Pioneer Subscribe, as a slogan. So yeah, so we can see the logos that are generated are really amazing, and you can also see it followed the instruction that I provided it. So you can also try this platform out. Amazing tool if you need a logo for your business, and if you are still unsure about its reviews, let me just give you a bit of that as well. So you can see easy as 1 2 3. So you can see the platform was really easy to use. It's my first time starting an online, and you can see 5 stars. Basically the website is super user friendly. Make sure to give a try to Logome.ai using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned and see you in the next video.